Today we are going to read The Elephant in Ant's Story. Once upon a time, there was a busy kingdom, and a wise king watched a competition between elephant and an ant. A great elephant and a tiny ant were preparing for a strength contest in a dense forest. The elephant, with its massive size, was confident it would win easily. The ant, on the other hand, was small and delicate, but it was determined. The challenge was to carry a heavy load from one side of the forest to the other. The elephant proudly took a large bundle of wood and started walking, its strong legs easily carrying the weight. The ant, however, picked up a tiny leaf, much smaller than the elephant's load, and began its journey. As the elephant marched along, it didn't notice the thick branches in its path and struggled a bit. Meanwhile, the ant carefully navigated through every obstacle, tiny rocks, twigs, and even a strong breeze, never letting go of the leaf. Slowly but surely, the ant made its way to the finish line. The elephant, thinking it was ahead, turned around only to find that the ant had already reached the end, having faced many challenges along the way. The elephant was surprised, but the ant smiled and said, "It's not always about strength. Perseverance, patience, and determination are just as important in overcoming the challenges." Kids, this is the moral of the story. What do you think? Thanks for watching, and we'll be back with another story pretty soon. Until then, take care.